What's going on, everyone? In today's video, we're gonna be playing Bed Wars with Aquatic. So please like, please. We're almost at 100 subs.
When I was a kid, I would always get bullied for my voice. It just made me really sad, man. Well, it's fine now because I have you. You're my best friend, Wombat.
我請你揾到呢個咩就我行。These are actually over there.
Tell me it's alright. Split. Oh. It might be over, Isaac. Are you dead? Isaac, please, don't die. White's bridging the mid as well, so just go. Whoop, not faster. You know, yeah, we can find him, Let's go. Oh, help!
Run now!
Leave him.
Run.
Jump.
Go, my boy.
Why do you take the Puma back on? Yes.
The poop.
No, I got 6.
Who?
Help me. Just jump.
Oh. Let's go.
Take these just in case. Yeah, that's literally what I did. But okay. You got it, man. I lied. No, I didn't lie. You got it. Okay.
If you want more videos like this, please smash subscribe and like the video. Peace out.